Jamaican black fruit cake. Two different recipes. These are a must try for the festive holidays. And I'm giving you guys a deal, 2 for 1. What can go wrong? So watch along guys, and at the end, drop me a comment and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. Share with a friend and save this for further on in the festive holidays, guys. Let's get to this. So here we're jumping straight into the video, and the ingredients we'll need for these cakes are butter, brown sugar, flour, eggs, vanilla, rose water, almond essence. We're going to use cinnamon powder, nutmeg, clove powder, baking powder, salt, browning. And for the one with the breadcrumbs, we're going to need some breadcrumbs. So we're doing 2 batch, and we're going to use a bit of ginger as well. So continue watching guys, and I'll come back in a bit. Oh, and we're going to use some lime juice and lime zest. That is to cut the rawness from the eggs. Yes. So we're doing 2 different cakes today. So watch along. First step is to cream the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. And then I'll chip in when it's time to do another step. I'll do this step by step, so I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. But welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're preparing, as you see, 2 different types of Jamaican black fruit cake. This is a must during the festive holidays, so just watch along. So now that our butter and sugar is light and fluffy, now we're going to crack the eggs and remove the eyes, and we're going to add some of our lime zest, lime juice, our vanilla, our liquid spices. Yes, and we're just going to mix all of that together, and then we'll go to the next step. So step 4, we're going to combine our egg mixture with our butter and sugar mix until it's light in color and creamy. And we set that aside, and we prep our fruits. We're going to add for step number 5, we're going to add our blended fruits and mix that together along with our browning. And then we're going to combine our dry ingredients in another bowl. So stay tuned guys. Now we're going to prep the one that we're going to use with the breadcrumbs. And as you see, I'm using equal part all-purpose flour, equal part breadcrumbs. And we're going to add all our spices, mix well and put aside while we work on the regular cake mix. For the regular cake mix batter, we just need our flour, baking powder, our ground spices, our salt, and mix that well and put aside so we can separate this batter and mix our cakes. So now we are on the final lap, and now we are going to fold in our dry mixture in our wet mixture. Please don't over mix this. As long as all the mixture combine, stop mixing, okay? So we're going to do this for the two batters and then we can prepare our pans. So continue watching, guys. One batter down, another one to go. So this is the regular fruit cake mix, and this one we're just doing the same thing. The only difference to these guys is just the parts of breadcrumbs and flour. This is the one with the plain flour, no breadcrumbs, and with just the same step, fold until it's completely mixed, and then we prepare our pans. And the batter should look like this for both cakes, okay? This one we're going to add a sheet of wax paper to the bottom, and this is how I normally do to get the nice shape inside. We're going to grease this, grease our wax paper as well. Add the butter. These in the bigger containers will be baking for 90 minutes, and those in the smaller containers will bake for 60 minutes. It all depending on your cake size. But normally these in the 9-inch cake tin stay for 90 minutes, okay? So now I will come back when these are fresh from the oven. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Also, guys, share the video, and at the end, please drop me a comment and like the video as well. And here is our first one from the oven, guys. Yes, and we're just going to add our sugar. Then we're going to add our rum and wine mixture to soak this up, cover it up so it keep in all the moisture. This is 24 hours in, and we're going to cut the cake, okay guys, so we can test the texture inside. This is the one with the breadcrumbs. And look how moist it is, guys. Yes. So now let's check the regular flavor. Yes, and this is also 24 hours in. And here is the texture, guys. Very moist. Yes. Let me know in the comment section which one of the cake you will be trying for the festive holidays. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Please just like the video, share, and drop me a comment below, and please subscribe for more. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.